Salesforce.com New User Training. First Steps. This is an applied learning course. That means that in order to apply what you're learning, you're going to need to do what you see us doing in the course, not just sit back and watch. In order to do this, you need to have access to an instance of Salesforce.com. First, we need to determine how you will use this course. Which of the following 4 student groups do you belong to? 1. You are already working at a company with Salesforce.com, but are not well trained in how to use the system and needing to build a strong foundation. 2. You are taking this course because you want to embark upon a technical career path beginning with the easiest point of entry, becoming a Salesforce.com sysadmin, and you need this course as a prerequisite. 3. You are evaluating CRMs for your company and want to know more about how Salesforce works so you can decide if it's your choice for the CRM system. Or 4. You don't fall into any of these groups and would like to just add a Salesforce competency to your resume because you keep seeing it listed on job postings. If you fall into Group 1, you are working at a company that has Salesforce, you're in great shape. You can apply what you're learning within your real work environment. Instructions on how to do this without impacting anyone else at your company are found within each lesson. If you are planning on taking our sysadmin training course after you complete this course, then since you will need a developer org for that class, you might as well go ahead and get one now. You can do that at the following URL, which is also found on the course description page for this course. You will have a slightly different experience of the CRM as a sysadmin, and it will come pre-configured a bit differently. So only create a developer org for yourself if you are pretty certain you want to later train as a sysadmin or app developer. If you are evaluating Salesforce for a potential purchase, then you will need to sign up for the 30-day free trial of the app and complete this course within that time frame. Expect to receive sales and marketing efforts from Salesforce.com if you do that, but if you are seriously considering the CRM, you are eventually going to need to speak to an account executive anyway. You can find the URL for accessing this sign-up form on the course page also. If you fall into Group 4, you don't have it and you don't plan to have it anytime soon, and just want to understand enough to add it to your resume and speak competently at an interview, then you don't really need to do the practice exercises in a live org. The course is filled with abundant demonstration within the system, as well as explanation and Socratic questioning to verify understanding. You can learn a lot just by watching, occasionally pausing the video to reflect, and visualizing yourself doing what needs to be done for fulfillment of the exercises. Now that we've squared away the learning environment question, let's get your terminology up to speed so that you can understand what we're talking about and effectively use Salesforce's online help system to go beyond the contents of this course. See you next time.